Alright, we're gonna be trying out some wheelie action. It's a little scary. Just gotta go. It's close. I keep leaning forward, that's the problem. I'm trying to get used to wheelies for when I take my actual bike out. Ugh. Yeet! Ugh. Ugh. Oh my god. Oh. Maybe it's a bike. The bike's just a little too chunky. Alright, let's go pull it. There's gotta be like a technique. I gotta pedal so hard. Oh my god. This is a workout. That was pretty long. I almost crashed. I'll stick to a motorcycle, you know. Yeah, it's difficult. I at least want to get it like across the whole grass here and then run into the car. Alright, we're gonna conquer this. Alright, here we go. Hey. Oh, that was close. I think my problem is I keep leaning forward. Sit back, just pull. Oh. All right, let's give her a final go. Jesus. Oh. I'm scared I'm gonna land like with the front sideways and just twist my arm. I just want to hold it for like a little bit. Because I'm pretty much sitting off the back of the seat. That one was pretty good. That was terrible. I think the key is to get it up high fast. Good gracious. Sorry about my breathing, but it is exhausting. Alright. I am gonna attempt to do this on concrete because I feel like it'd be a little bit more smoother, but also with a lot higher consequences. Wow, them brakes are good. That's gonna hurt if I fall. Nope. We're getting there. Ugh. Gotta keep that wheel straight. Oh man. Oh, I just felt my bar move. Alright. Coming up. Oh my god. Oh my god. That is fantastic. It came off the chain.